Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites so the actual link goes smooth. Make sure your Echo Show 8 and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. Then open the Blink app and sign into your Blink account. This is necessary to add a camera. Once done, power each Blink camera and put it into setup mode so Blink detects it. Next, in the Blink app, tap Add Device and follow the on-screen QR or code pairing. This begins the device registration. You'll later connect to Alexa. With your cameras registered in Blink, switch to the Alexa app to create the bridge. First, enable the Blink skill, then sign into the same Blink account when prompted. This authorization lets Alexa control your cameras. After linking, use Discover Devices so Alexa pulls in each camera. Make sure to give each camera a short, unique name and assign it to a room or group. This simplifies voice commands and on-screen layouts. If a camera doesn't appear, run Discover again after a power cycle. You're almost done. Test by saying Alexa, show plus the camera name. Echo Show 8 should open a live view. Once confirmed, create routines or motion announcements in the Alexa app so you get alerts or automatic displays. Also enable two-way talk if supported so you can speak through the show. If something fails, make sure to reboot the camera, router, and Echo Show, check camera firmware and app permissions, and rerun Discover. Often a restart and firmware update resolve the trickiest connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.